Hello everybody, my name is Russ from Bounty Hunter Metal Detectors. Today I'm here with the Tracker 4 metal detector. Now this is our retail box. If you buy from Amazon, you're probably going to receive it in a plain box. The reason being is that Amazon requires popular product that sells a lot to be delivered in plain boxes so they can ship them out. So no fear, if you get this in a plain box, it's not a refurbished unit, it's not used, it's just the way Amazon requires it to be shipped. So let's take a look at what you're going to find inside the Tracker 4 box. So with this box, you're going to have an inner box as well, or an inner sleeve. And here's your inner sleeve, which contains the metal detector in all of its pieces. So firstly, you're going to get a manual. On the top, you'll see a coil. To remove the coil, there's a piece of tape that goes over the top to hold it in place. The coil bolt and coil nut are also holding the coil in place so it doesn't bounce around in the box. Now we're going to remove the control box portion of the metal detector, as well as the lower rod. Alright, so we have the Tracker 4 out of its box. What you should find inside your box is a manual, the coil, a coil bolt and knob, a lower rod, and the control box mounted on the S-rod. Alright, let's assemble the unit. The first step is to attach the lower rod to the control housing. You'll notice the upper stem has several different holes here, and the lower stem has a button. Push this button in, slide it in to your desired length, and voila, you're set. Now to attach the 8-inch waterproof coil to your lower rod. To do so, make sure that the cord is facing the rear. Place the coil on the lower rod so you can see all the way through, and then slide the coil bolt through the rod, and then secure it with the knob. Now you don't want this over tight, just tight enough to keep that coil from flopping around. Alright, now we need to wrap the coil cord around the rod. You don't want to leave it flimsy like this because it'll catch on weeds, trees, anything like that. So to do that, you want to fold your coil all the way forward, and then just take the coil cord to the top of that and then start wrapping. What this allows is free movement of this coil no matter what position you want it in. Alright, now that we've got the cord wrapped around the rods, we need to plug the coil plug into the control box. Look inside this connector, you're going to see a little bump on the bottom. And if you look at the plug-in, you're going to see a notch. Line that bump up with that notch and it'll slide right in. Alright, this doesn't have to be wrapped extremely tight, it's just to keep it from catching on bushes and tree limbs and that sort of thing. Now the Tracker 4 is powered by two 9-volt batteries. The batteries go in right here. Now this is a very lightweight and well-balanced metal detector, making it easy to swing all day long. It has an 8-inch waterproof search coil, 2 rods, the control box. As you can see, it's a very simple machine to use with only 3 controls, 2 knobs and 1 switch. We have a padded hand grip here for comfort, as well as a padded armrest for comfort. You'll notice there's a stand on the bottom which keeps the Tracker 4 in the upright position when you set it down to retrieve targets. Now the Tracker 4 is made in the USA and comes with an industry-leading 5-year warranty. At Bounty Hunter Metal Detectors, we not only make outstanding metal detectors, we pride ourselves in customer service. If your metal detector is not working the way you think it should, or you're missing a piece from your box, please call us or email us at info@frstTX.com. I'll put the email as well as our phone number below.